Okay, so finally we installed this garage door opener, Genie opener, and here I'm sure every garage has your own fixation way to fix your opener onto your seating. And this chain drive, which is very good for long-term usage. Okay, and I want to mention that this part is from the Genie's opener as a part come from with this opener, and you really have to install this very carefully. One is that on the menu it says do not exceed 30 degrees. That is from the vertical line, towards the angle of this part. No, do not exceed 30. Okay, and also when you install it, you have to make sure it's in the locked position, and this will create problems. But you have to make sure this is this part is in the locked position, lock the chain, and then make sure it's 30 degrees. So one smart way is make sure it's about 16 inches from the door to the part, and also adjust the holes until you reach this good angle. Okay, so then you have a smooth thing. It's you have to do some adjustment by yourself. And okay, thank you for watching for this video, and I hope it's helpful for DIY jobs for people who want to install this opener, saving a few $100s to hire another people to do that for you. It could do. I finished this job within 1 day. It's not an easy job still. And also think about the fixation. This is done by myself, so you have to gain some parts by yourself. If you rely on the parts from the manufacturer, it's not enough all the time, because no one knows what's going on inside of your garage, what kind of thing you have already. So this is the two original bar is from my old place, and I have to find other parts to fixing this new part onto it. So this really need lots of additional work, and make sure it's well done and firmly fixed. Okay, thank you very much to watching this, and thank you, and bye bye.